Greetings from MWN.com. Dr. M. Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Time wage system and piece wage system. Time wage and piece wage systems are the two important methods of wage payment. Methods of wage payment. The following are the methods of wage payment. A. Time wage system. B. Piece wage system. C. Incentive methods of wage payment. D. Group bonus plans. E. Indirect incentive method. A. Time wage system. Under time wage system, wages are paid to workers on the basis of time worked, irrespective of their production. It may be paid daily, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. In this method, wages can be calculated as wage equals number of hours worked into rate per hour. Example: if the wage rate per hour is 100 rupees and the worker X worked for 7 hours, then the wage for X equals 7 into 100 equals 700 rupees. Application of time wage system. This system is most suitable for the following circumstances. 1. Where quality of work is more important than the output. 2. Where the contribution or services of the workers cannot be easily measured. 3. Where the output is not repetitive in nature. 4. Where close supervision is required for the work. Advantages of time wage system. 1. It is easy to calculate. 2. It is easy to understand and operate. 3. This method is good for average and below average workers. 4. This method satisfies the workers and their union. Disadvantages of time wage system. 1. The workers are not given any incentive to increase the production. 2. There is no distinction between efficient and inefficient workers in this method. 3. This system increases the labor cost. 4. This method requires costly supervision. 5. It encourages overtime work. 6. The workers are not properly motivated in this system. 7. It is difficult to know the labor cost per unit well in advance. B. Piece wage system. Under this system, the wage is paid on the basis of number of units produced by the workers. Piece wage is calculated as wage equals number of units produced into rate per unit. Example: if the piece rate per unit is 25 rupees and worker X produced 30 units, then wage for X equals 30 into 25 equals 750 rupees. Rate per unit of production is determined on the basis of standard hours required for producing 1 unit of the product. Hence, the rate is fixed so that the wage for an average worker will not be less than the normal time wage per day. Advantages of piece wage system. 1. It is easy to calculate and simple to understand. 2. It increases the production and thereby reduces the overhead cost per unit. 3. It helps to know the labor cost per unit in advance, for the purpose of fixation of price of the product. 4. It improves the competitive spirit among the workers. 5. Efficient workers can easily be identified so that they can be given incentives and promotion. Disadvantages of piece wage system. 1. It is difficult to fix the standard rate per unit. 2. Quality of work may be affected in this system. 3. It leads to damage of tools and machines, loss of material, and it increases in spoilage and defectives. 4. It may affect the health of workers due to overstrain, and thereby creates more absentees. 5. It is not suitable if the quality of production is more important. 6. This method requires more supervision and thereby increases the cost of supervision. 7. It increases the misunderstanding among the workers due to different wages for the same group of workers.